Hey there, are you interested in earning free Bitcoin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to register on Coinbase and get free Bitcoin using my referral link. The first step is to click my referral link. You'll then be prompted to enter your name, email address, and a password to create your account. Make sure you choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Now, here's the important part. In order to get free Bitcoin, you'll need to use my referral link when signing up. You can find my referral link in the video description below. Once you click on the referral link, you'll be taken to the Coinbase website where you can complete your account setup. You'll need to provide additional information, such as your phone number, address, and photo ID. This is to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. After you've completed the account setup, you'll be taken to the Coinbase dashboard. From here, you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. But here's the best part. By using my referral link, you'll earn free Bitcoin once you've bought or sold $100 worth of cryptocurrency on Coinbase. That's right. By following these steps and using my referral link, you'll earn free Bitcoin on Coinbase. But remember, cryptocurrency investments are volatile and come with risks, so make sure you do your research before investing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use my referral link in the video description to get started on your cryptocurrency journey and earn some free Bitcoin on Coinbase.